Yo, what's going on, guys? So I'm here back at the homies, the muffler shop, Rivera's. So they have some nice trucks here. This one has a nice V8, and check out this 454 SS. So today, guys, we're gonna do this is the number if you guys want to come. Ask for Rivera muffler shop. We're doing the transmission speed sensor because it shifts bad and it does a lot of bad stuff. And it's just ¿qué medida era? 11 millimeter. It's a little bit plugged in there with the seal. Tiene este cosa aquí. There's this little seal, guys. This is the new one, check it out. Let me zoom out for you. And the little seal just stuck in there. Just like that, check it out. See if your speedometer is going crazy or it's shifting hard or just not doing good. That's what it is. And it just comes off just like that. You just gotta push it off on each end and pull it out. Quítela toda. Ahí está. And then se quita así, and it puts there. Se pone ahí arriba y se loquea con esta cosa. No tiene, ¿cómo se dice? Let me look. Ahí está, ya está. And it just clips on just like that, guys. Con poquita, ¿cómo se dice? Tengo. Está bien de ahí. ¿Tienes? Tengo, pero de ahí está bien. Déjeme agarrar un rack. Alright, guys, and then you just get some new. And you put it on the side. All around the gasket so you can just pop in there real nice. Para que se mete bien con madre ahí. And just like that, guys, that's it. It just goes boop. So yeah, if it hard shifts, it kind of is. It's usually that. And you just put the bolt back on and connect it. This needs a lot of work, this car. In next video, we're doing the transmission. You gotta come real early in the morning for that one. Yeah, that's it. You just plug in the sensor. Ahí está. ¿No se mete para adentro o qué? Sí. Está como ployado. We're gonna take a break real quick. And that's it, guys. Check out the old one. This is el viejo. No, hombre, ya. No hace cambio bien. No se cambia bien de 1, de 2, 3. Y también marca bien. Marks real bad and it doesn't shift. But that's it, guys. Next time we're doing the transmission. This is the shop. It's next to the Ramirez Tire Shop, but come right here, hit this number up. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.